leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. So I am so fortunate that I can be able to share this Chronicles of Carla Mae. Greetings and welcome to another Chronicles of Carla Mae. I am Carla Mae. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am at a middle school 6th grade class. It's an English language arts and reading class, and we are reading the book Hatchet right here. Hatchet by Gary Paulson. The classroom. It's a beautiful classroom. The students sit all there. And today's topic, we're talking about when I broke my arm in Arkansas. It's interesting. My fiance's mom and sister passed away, and it was very hard for us to deal with that. And I, unfortunately, did some things I wasn't supposed to do. Drank some things I wasn't supposed to drink. And passed out and fell in a parking lot in Arkansas and broke my arm. My left arm. So it wasn't a nice situation. It happened July 22nd, and I knew I wasn't supposed to drink certain things, but I still did. So I went against what I know in my heart that wasn't right, and I went against it, and this is what happened to me. I fell and broke my arm, and it was my left arm that I broke. You can see the x-rays, and it was bad. It was a bad fall, and I will never forget that feeling of falling and breaking my arm. As a child growing up in the U.S. Virgin Islands on the beautiful island of St. John, I never broke a bone in my body until now. So 2019 was a very hard time. And then when 2020 hit and the global pandemic hit, became even harder. So now we're in 2021, and I am just looking forward to using my Ph.D. in Family Studies, my 2 master's degrees, one in Family Studies and one in Library Science, and my bachelor's in Elementary Education and my associates in Child Development. All of it to start my own business, NEGUS Education World Specialists. Yes, it's a new business that I've started in 2019. And I started it in September 2019. I got the business license. And the business began actually as a startup. So it's still in the startup stages of getting all the research and information put together to present in workshops and trainings. January 2021 was going to be our kickoff for our virtual trainings for teachers. And we're doing a family story time on Sundays at 7 o'clock. So every month we'll do a Sunday story time for families, showing families how and they can be a part of their reading initiative to improve reading scores. Stay tuned.